So, hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You, and 12 plus years of IT industry experience. Let me know if you are able to hear me properly and if you are able to see me properly, right? Okay. So, please let me know if both the things are there. Then we can start with the session. Fine. Okay, so anyway, I just wanted to tell you friends, so today's session is very important. We have already started with the live mock session. So here you can see the questions today what we are going to cover is of different varieties which will be asked in your exam, right? So different coding decoding question, number series, then analogy based questions, right? And then some kind of question from blood relation, and then statement conclusion, statement a course of actions, right? And then some networking question, okay? And then data sufficiency question, and then coding decoding, and then again kind of analogy, and then you have a ranking test question. So we are going to do different varieties of question today. So please let me know if I am audible and visible to everyone. So I once again welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Okay, audible, not visible. Not visible, somebody is telling I'm not visible, guys. So please let me know if I'm audible and visible to everyone. Then we will go and start with the session. So anyway, the first question is here. Okay, before that friends, just wanted to tell you, sir, I have given interview on 1st of August. Please tell about result. Tomorrow I am making a video on your result and all. Okay, fine. So friends, English ability 17 question will be there. Critical reasoning and problem 18 question. Abstract reasoning 15 question. Common application and MS Office 12 question. And pseudocode 18 question, right? So this is basically your round 1. Okay, this is basically your round 1. Your cognitive plus technical, right? So total number of questions you can see 18, 12 is 30, right? And then this total number of questions also you will be able to see here. Now, question number 1. So yes sir, audible and visible both. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot for joining the session. And now let us start with the question. So question number 1 here. In a certain code, care is coded as FBJJ. Then how would dine be coded as, right? So basically friends, it is going to be a live mock test. So you have to solve and then you have to tell me the answer. And before I proceed further friends, tomorrow I am going to conduct one biggest live mock test that will be for 2 hours plus. That will be for 2 hours plus at 8:30 p.m. tomorrow. So request you to join everyone, because here you will see lot of varieties of question and we will try to solve almost 50 questions tomorrow from all topics, right? From all topics. So don't miss this. Okay, the link will be also shared. Now let us go back and see how many of you have solved the question, right? So which year mock test? So all the mock tests are recent one, so we don't provide the old mock test, right? Okay, so how many of you are able to solve? In the certain code language, care is coded as FBJJ. Then how would dine be coded as? So I am not able to see any answer, guys. Come on, solve it quickly, solve it fast. So care, right? Care is written as FBJJ. Then how will be dine, right? So how will be dine coded as? This is Accenture problem, already asked in Accenture, right? Okay. See friends, I cannot tell you exact question will be asked in your exam or the question will come from my session itself. But I can definitely tell you the question will be based on similar pattern. That will be my guarantee. Okay. So care is FBJJ. Then what will be dine? And I'm not getting any answers as of now. तो सब कह रहे हैं कि क्वेश्चन हार्ड लेवल के आ रहे हैं. ब्रो, द एग्जाम हैज नॉट yet started, man. Which, right? So which world you are living, I don't know. The exam is basically going to start from 16th of August, I think, the first exam. How did somebody say to you that, see, this is a easy problem? Do you think? Nobody has answered. You see, nobody has answered for this particular question. So if you are able to solve this, then you say the problems are easy, right? Okay, anyway, now the first thing here what we need to know is the alphabetical positions, right? So C is 3, A is 1, R is 18th, and E is 5, right? How R is 18th? Many times I have told you. So if you close this, then it will look like this, right? So it will look like 18. R will look like 8, 1 you give here. See, alphabetical positions is very, very important. I have told you trick for EJOT. So E is 5, J is 10, O is 15, T is 20 and 25. For others also I have already told you. So C is 3, A is 1, EJOT, E is 5. Now F, fix and 6. B is 2, J is 10 and J is 10. Now friends, here if you'll see, the first letter is multiplied by 2, second letter is multiplied by 2, and fourth letter is multiplied by 2. Where is the problem? Sir, problem is when the alphabetical position is 2 digit, right? Then what they have done, so they should do 18 into 2, 36, but it is not 36, sir, it is 10. Then what they have done, so what is the maximum position? Sir, A is 1, sir, B is 2, sir, Z is 26. So maximum position is 26. So maximum position they subtracted, it was 10, and that's the reason they have written here J, right? Okay. Same thing, sir, D is 4, I is 9, I, right? So it will look like I. Like this also, somebody write I. N is 14th, E is 5. So anyway, single letter, so 9 into 2, 18. 18 is nothing but R, okay? And 4 into 2 will be what? So 4 into 2 will be, sir, 8, okay? So 8 is what? H. Sir, 9 into 2, 18. 18 is what? R. We know R is 18. Then E. 5 into 2 is 10. 10 is nothing but J, right? Okay. Then November. So 14 into 2 will be what? 28. And 28, if you subtract the maximum alphabetical position, it will give you 2, and 2 is nothing but B, right? So we should be having something HRBJ. Option C will be the correct answer for this particular problem, right? So here option option C will be the correct answer for this particular problem. Let me connect charger to my laptop. Okay, fine. So I hope this will be clear to everyone, right? Clear to everyone? This was a good problem, right? You can't say this is a easy problem, right? So you can't say, sir, this was a easy problem, and I hope later into 2 law. Later into 2, but when it is 2-digit number, then how we should have dealt, right? So that was the important thing. Whether the quantitative aptitude will asked in Accenture, aptitude will not be asked, but definitely in data sufficiency, in flowchart based questions, it might be asked. Okay. Now friends, question number 2. So question number 2 is a number series problem, and let me see how many of you are able to give the answer. Come on, friends, don't forget to like the session, because today I was not well, okay, because of yesterday's event, but still I am taking session for you all. So please appreciate that, right? Okay. So can you please let me know what will be the answer? So let me start the timer. So the timer will be here. So timer, okay. Timer 1 minute. Because you will be getting almost 1 minute for one question, okay. Can you please quickly like the video so that I can bring more and more session for you? Tomorrow almost 2 hours plus session will be there, where I will cover all the topics like MS Excel, right? So your MS Office, right? Excel, I mean complete office suite, networking. So all those things we will discuss tomorrow. Okay, so you have another 30 seconds to solve. 27, 36, 27 into 3. Okay, so different answers I am getting here. So fine. Now let us see how can we easily solve it. 27. Many of you are telling, sir, 27. Okay, your time is up now. So I am going and I will solve the question here. So basically, if we'll see the logic, right? So we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 6, we have 9, we have 18, okay? We have question mark, and then we have 54. So basically, if we'll try to analyze, right? See, here if you'll see, sir, it is 2. See, as soon as you see, sir, it is 2. Sir, it is 2. That means there is somewhere numbers are getting multiplied by 2. What about this? Sir, it looks like into 1.5. So 2 into 1.5 is nothing but 3. What about this? Sir, 6 into 15 is 90. So this is 1.5. It is 9. Okay. Then, sir, what about this? So this is 18 into 1.5. Now, how to multiply 18 into 1.5, right? See, so calculation, you have to take it very, very easy. So this is nothing but 18 into 1 plus 0.5. So 18 into what is 0.5? 0.5 is 1 by 2. So 18 and half of 18 is 9, which is nothing but 27. See, this much you should not do. This much you should not do, okay? Instead of that, you should find a number. So you should find a number. When you will multiply by 2, you should be getting 54. So this will be easy for you. Always go for the easiest approach, because if you clear Accenture, right? So the Prime Minister Narendra Modi will not come and then he will give you a medal that very good, you multiplied 18 into 1.5 in examination, right? See, they will say that you are a fool, that instead of this was easy, what number I will multiply, I will get 54. Even options were also there. So that is easy, or this one is easy, right? So you always have to find the easiest way to solve the problem. Okay, fine. I hope this is clear to you, right? Okay. Now, the next problem. So if it is clear, let me know in the comment section. Sir, it is clear. You can go ahead, right? Okay. So if it is clear, I can go ahead. I can erase it off. And now the next problem, which is a different type of coding and decoding. This is one easy problem. But the next problem will be little tricky. Okay, I will not say tough, but little tricky, where you might take some time. Now your time starts here. Okay, so your time starts here. 30 seconds is more than sufficient for this particular problem. Now let me see how many of you are able to solve this. Clear, sir? Very good. So please do comment, and don't forget to like the session. If you don't like the session, I will understand that you guys are not interested and there is no point of doing daily live classes, right? Okay. So please do it quickly. 777. Okay. Now, so within 30 seconds, many of you have already solved. So I could see Srijan Chakravarti, Karthik, Siddhi Misra, very good. Abhash Kumar, okay. So see, you guys are very good, man. I'm telling you, right? So you just need a proper guidance, right? You just need to practice the question. So before your exam, we are also launching free mock test series, okay? Free mock test series. So that also we have started working, and we will definitely launch. So that's my promise. Don't worry about it, right? So you guys are very good. So there is no, dorai, we say, right? So there is no doubt in that. Okay. So in a certain code language, 786 means study very hard. Yes, friends. So see, the question why I have taken it to tell you that you have to study very hard, you have to work very hard if in life you want to achieve something, right? Okay, then 958. So this means hard work pays. This means hard work pays. Hard work pays. And 645. 645 means study and work. See, in exam, you don't write and waste your time. In exam, you are not going to write all those things and you will waste your time. See, because I need to teach you, I need to tell you, I am doing that. Now, so they are telling, tell me what is the code for very. So very is here. So now we will have to find out the common terms from here. So you see, here we have hard and here we have hard. Reasoning is not hard, okay? So trust me. So reasoning is very, very easy. Now what is common? 8. Sir, 8 is common. So we got for hard, hard is 8. Now what is common here? Sir, first and third. First and third. Study, study is common. Now what is the number which is common? Sir, 6. So 6 is nothing but study. Then what is remaining? Very. Very will become what? Sir, 7. So that is what they were asking. So what is the code, right? So what is the code for very? And the code for very is 7. I hope it is clear to everyone, right? So I hope it is clear to everyone. If it is clear, then we can move ahead. Okay, please let me know. 7 is the answer. Tomorrow I have Accenture coding round. Sir, okay. Sahil, where are you from? So you are going to get a relation, right? With that person, no, right? So guys, kindly like the session, I'm telling you. And even please comment if you feel the session was good. So I will do more and more sessions for you, right? Okay. Anyway, the next question is little tricky. And this I wanted you to solve. So this will be little time taking. So let me start the timer. Your time started now. Okay, let's see. So please try to solve. I am watching from Kolkata, sir. Lot of love from Bangalore to Kolkata. Love from Chennai, sir. Accenture coming on August 23. Before Accenture coming to your campus, I will make you prepare like anything. We have a plan to put lot of videos. Don't worry. Pappu Kumar, watch the video once again later because I cannot go back and explain. Another 22 seconds. So Pawan Reddy is telling excellent teaching, sir. Thank you, Pawan Reddy bhai. Bhagwan, God bless you a lot. Okay. So your time is going to expire now. So done. So Yuraj Satish, sorry, what is your name? Pajarappu Satish has solved it within 1 minute, and Sindhu K. So Sindhu K and Satish, Pajarappu Satish has solved within 1 minute. Very good. So Lavanya is also telling C, but C you are answering after 1 minute. Now let us see. So what is basically given here and how are we going to deal with? Okay. Sadiq is telling C. Padam Sri Sati is telling 8731. That is C. Very good. But again it is coming after a minute, which is not acceptable. Pratik sir, you are teaching great. Thank you, Bhaiya. Thanks a lot. Okay. Now let us see. So friends, the first thing, right? See, when you see the question, something, I mean, first you should think like how I am going to attempt it, right? Because there might be some new questions coming in your exam, different pattern of different type of, so you don't get, afraid or don't get, see, if it is a new question, it is new for everyone, right? So you don't have to get afraid, you don't have to get hesitated, you have to just try it out. Now this question, they're asking what is the code for the dog was frightened, okay? The dog was frightened, no problem. So friends, here you see, right? So if you, in this particular question, right, if only one question is there, you will be easily able to answer, right? Okay. So you see here, the dog ran, right? So the dog ran. So the dog ran, right? So the dog ran. Okay. Now, so friends, it is very, very clear that for this, right? So the code is 341. So you see, either they will be 34, okay, or they will be 31, or see all the possibilities. So wherever you see the dog, so here they're telling the dog, that means in the option you should be having 34 or 31 or 41, right? So that is one thing. So here you could see 31 is there and 34 is there, right? So you have multiple options. That means we need to find out the complete code. See, the first thing which you have to look at, is there any possibility which will give me the answer? If it is no, immediately move out in finding it, right? Don't waste your time, okay? Because lot of combinations will be there. Now, so after that, what we will do? See, I am telling you from a student perspective. If you are a student, what all you will do? So you have to avoid that, right? Okay. Now, so as soon as you will see that there is nothing matching, we will move next. So then we will see, try to find out the common term. So here you see the dog and here you see the dog, right? Ran is not there. That means from here we can find the code for the dog, right? So the dog code will be, right? So here you see, so 3 1 is common and here 3 1 is common, right? Okay. The dog frightened the cat. So now for the dog, the code will be 3 1. Okay, 3 1 or 1 3. Now, second thing you see, my dear friends, the dog, right? 3 1 common. And here it is the dog, the. That means, right? So 3 1. 1 is 2 times. So it is very clear. So for the, it is 1, and for dog, it is nothing but 3. Okay. And now you see what is left out, ran. So for ran, the code will be nothing but 4. Clear? Okay. Then now what we will do, we will try to find out the common term. So here you see frightened, right? Frightened and frightened. Cat already we know, right? So what is common between them? Okay, what is common between them? Okay, fine. Okay. So before that, friends, what we can do is, for cat also we can get to know. So the cat was born. So here you see what is common, the and cat. So 1 is common and then 6 is common. So for cat, it will be nothing but 6. For cat also we are done. Okay. Then frightened here and frightened here. Then what is common here? So 1, 3, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6, 8. So we have, for frightened, we have 8, right? For frightened, we have 8. So we are trying to put out all the codes. Now, so away. For away, what will be the code? So for away, sir, it will be 5, right? So we are able to find it out. So the frightened cat ran away. Fine. So we got this. The cat was brown. So here you see brown and here you see brown. What is common here? So in this two, if you'll see 2. So for brown, it will become 2. For brown, it will become 2. And then the brown dog frightened the cat. So we have got it for everything. Was. For was, it will be. So for was, it will be 7. Right? So we have got the complete code from here. So is it clear for everyone? Just compare the last two given code and that comes. See what happens? You have a answer, none of this. So you have a answer, none of this. Otherwise, if none of this was not there, then we could have already got the dog, and the dog 3 1s means you have answered option C, right? So even the last two we can compare, right? Last two we can compare. We got the dog, right? So 3 1, 3 1. That means we could have marked. But my dear friends, you try to understand that also you have none of this. So in that case, you have to cross check, right? Okay. So this is clear. Correct, my dear friends. So what you are telling, Siva Ramakrishna Kota, the option is also none of these. And see, I will take the photo of this. I will tell you why I did all those things. Okay. So just a minute. See, for everything there is a reason. Let me take the image. Okay. Now let's see. You have 3 questions. You have 3 questions. You have not only one question. See that question, because you have one question, what you could have done? You could have compared only last two, you would have answered. What about this? How are you going to answer? You need to find out the code for everything, because there was no space here. I had left it to explain you. So that is the reason these questions are on the second side, right? Okay. Now from here you'll have to answer. So what is the code for frightened? It is 8. What is the code for away? It is 5. And what is the code for brown? It is 2, right? I hope this is now clear to you. So let me know if it is clear for everyone. So let me know if it is clear for everyone. Then, so let me know if it is clear for everyone. Then we can go ahead for the next problem, right? Okay, done. So I hope, sir, we are from Karnal, still not get any date. See, you will be getting dates. This complete month Accenture exam is going to happen. Aptitude will not come in Accenture. Aptitude will not come in Accenture, right? So many of you are asking, sir, in Accenture what will come? So in Accenture, English ability, critical reasoning and problem solving, abstract reasoning, common application and MS Office pseudocode. So they will not ask you aptitude. Maybe very basic in flow chart and all, right? In reasoning, they might ask you calculate 10%, 20% of some data, which we have done in our previous problem. Now, if it is clear to you, then we can move ahead with the next problem. So let me see how many of you are able to solve. Okay. See, a life of football, now I can't repeat, man. If I want to repeat, I need to write everything. See, you try to understand. When I ask you, if you have any doubt, you please tell me. See, what what I had said here, two things I said. The first thing which you need to understand, okay? See, they are asking what is the code for the dog was frightened. See, so what I did, I started from here. So the dog ran, and in this also you can see the dog is there, right? Okay. So I can have the common terms here. So 3 is there and 1 is there. That means for the dog, the common term is 3 and 1. Okay. Now, friends, see, this 3 can be for dog and this 1 can be for the, right? This 3 can be for dog or for this, right? So we just write it 3 1 1 3. So it doesn't matter. Then I saw here the is 2 times, right? The is 2 times. Okay, so what is repeated 2 times? 1 1. So very easily we got the is 1 and dog is 3, right? Okay, but this question is telling the dog was frightened. Now you can mark this option, right? But you have none of this, right? So it's better always calculate complete thing. Even in the next slide, if you might have seen, we had 3 more questions to solve. So I need code for each and everything, and then only I will be able to proceed, right? Anyone is having any doubt, please tell me. Anyone is having any doubt, please tell me. Coding classes are happening. No, I don't know coding, man. So I don't know coding. Coding classes is already going on, right? So daily we are uploading the videos. Tomorrow also we will upload the videos, right? See, absolutely correct answer. Fine. Now we will be moving towards the next problem. So let me see how many of you are able to solve the next problem. Come on. Okay. So please tell me the answer for this. For today I have Accenture. Sir, today I have Accenture exam. Online study. Are yaar, on with our name only you have opened one channel. Okay. See, for non-tech or tech, the syllabus is same. The only difference is in coding. The only difference is in coding. Okay. For non-tech or tech, it's same. Okay. Guys, can you please like the session here if you are able to understand? What is the answer here? Your time is done. 316. 316. Now, so here you have 9. Okay. Here we have 27. Here we have 31. Okay. And then we have 1565. Okay. And then I'm sorry, just a minute. So there is a mistake in the problem. So basically this is not there. Okay. So there is a mistake in the problem. So it is now 156. Now you can solve. So I'm really sorry. So it was a typing mistake. It is 155. I think it will be 155. So just a minute. So it is 3, 4. And then this is 5. Okay. So just a minute. So there is a mistake in the question. So let me correct it. Okay. So let me correct it. So it is 155. 155. I will write it once again. So now your question is 9, 27, 31. Okay. 155, 161, 1127. So there was a typing mistake in the question. I'm really sorry for that, right? Okay. Okay. So now, okay. So there was a mistake in the question. Now you see, so now you see 9 into 3. Basically the logic is 9 into 3 is 27, right? Okay. And then 27 plus 4 is 31. 31 plus 5 is 155. 155 plus 6 is 161. 161 into 7 is 1127. and plus 8, it is nothing but 1135. So basically the option which will come here is 1135, and option B will become the correct answer, right? So I'm sorry, the question there was a little mistake, but we have corrected it, and the answer is B. Let me know if it is, let me know if it is done for you, right? Okay. So let me know if it is clear for you. Let me know if you have understood. If you have understood, hit a like so that we can bring more and more such session for you, right? Okay. Next. So next is, friends, analogy problems. So you will be getting lot many analogies problem in Accenture, right? So now moon, satellite and earth is what, right? So moon, satellite and earth is what? Can you quickly give the answer? Can you quickly tell me the answer? Okay, very good. So you guys are understanding. Thank you. Moon, satellite, then earth. Okay. B. See, moon is what? Sir, these are the very easy problem. If you know, then you know. If you don't know, then you don't know. Then you won't be able to solve. So moon is nothing but a satellite, right? So moon is nothing but a satellite, right? And earth is what? And earth is what? Earth is what? Earth is nothing but a planet. Earth is nothing but what? A planet, right? Earth is nothing but a planet. So option B will be correct. See, first option anyway, earth and sun both are different, right? So earth is not sun. Earth, solar system, right? Asteroid, no. So earth is what? A planet, right? Where we are living, living creatures are found on earth only. Clear? Okay. So this is clear for everyone. Simple questions. Okay. See, I just wanted you to practice this kind of question so that in exam you should not feel something new has come to you, right? Okay. Next. Okay. Next is travel companion profession. What will come? So please let me know what will come first. So what will come? Please tell me. So travel companion and profession. So friends, what will happen when you travel, right? So when you travel, you need someone, right? So basically, forget about traveling, man. If I go somewhere also, I need someone, right? So everyone needs someone, correct? Okay. So when we, now you don't say when we travel we need one girlfriend and boyfriend, right? So when we travel we need a companion. That might be, right? So that might be female or male, it does not matter. So when you travel, what you need, so basically your the traveling partner will become your companion. In profession, so once you join TCS, once you join Accenture, once you join Infosys, once you join any company, then the people in your team will become your colleague, right? So you'll start saying, yeah, Rahul is my colleague. Yeah, Sweetie is my colleague, right? Okay. So that colleague here will be option B, right? So in your profession, you will be having a colleague. Now next is, so see, this kind of things, like now you will see, so this you might not be able to do it, okay? Because many of you might not be knowing what is origami, right? What is Ikebana. So even, see, frankly speaking, I was also not knowing. I googled it and then I am telling you, right? See, because these are the things which does not test your mathematics, right? Which doesn't test your knowledge, like how good you are at logic, right? So these are the things, these are surrounding things which we should be aware of, right? Okay. So your screen not visible, lag. Okay, some lag is happening. Okay, yes. So some lag is happening. Okay, no problem. Now is it fine? Now is it fine? I think now it should be fine. Okay, now it should be fine, guys. So there was some lag. Okay, now also. Please wait. YouTube is not receiving enough videos to maintain a smooth such. Okay, so please wait for some time. Let me restart the system. So let me restart the system. Okay, so I think now it should be fine. Okay, now is it fine? Now is it fine, guys? Now is it fine? So I have restarted it. Fine. So please let me know now if it is fine for all of you. Better now. Okay, thank you. Sorry for the disturbance. Okay. Now, friends, so here if you'll see, so what is origami, paper, and ikebana, right? So friends, basically from the paper, no. So basically from the paper, you can make origami, okay? So from the paper, make origami. How can you make? You see this, right? So you see this. So from the paper only, they have made this. So this is made of paper. So from the paper you can make origami. This will be like paper made, you can say kind of a statues, right? Okay. Then what is ikebana? So friends, ikebana will be made of flowers, right? Ikebana will be made of flowers. So when basically the leaves, the stems, right, everything you put together, that becomes your ikebana, right? So flower and ikebana. So these kind of questions basically you should have prior knowledge. Then only you will be able to solve. Otherwise, it will be difficult for you to do it in the examination. Okay, fine. So it is flowers, not B. Now moving towards the next problem, right? Now moving towards the next problem. Okay, so I hope you guys are liking the videos and also understanding. Okay, next is a blood relation problem, and your time starts now. I think again the lag is observed. I don't know what is the reason. Okay, because guys, again the lag is observed. So okay, I'm not understanding what is the reason. Again lag. No man, the picture was given by me, so it was not by. Okay, what should I do? So there is some problem which is happening today, and okay. So the question answer is no. Okay, so there is some issues which is coming today. I don't know what is the problem of the lag. Screen not visible, just wait. I'm just trying to see the lag, why it is happening. Okay. So if it is fine, we can continue. Otherwise, we need to stop it for today. If the lag continues, then we will have to stop for today. Okay, now, okay, so here if you'll see, Deepak said to Nitin that the boy playing football is the younger of the two brothers of the daughter of my father's wife. How is the boy playing football related to Deepak? Friends, in this kind of question, you should always try from the behind. Okay, now, so Deepak said to Nitin, the boy playing football is the younger of the two brothers of the daughter of my father's wife. So my father wife is what? My father wife is what? They could have simply given mother, no. My father wife is nothing but my mother. Okay, then the daughter of my mother. So this is nothing but my mother, right? Okay. Now the daughter of my mother, right? My mother daughter is nothing but my sister. My sister. Okay, fine. And then brothers of my sister. Now this complete thing is sister. So the brother of my sister is my brother, right? So the boy who is playing football is nothing but my brother. Is nothing but my brother, right? So the answer will become brother, not cousin. Many of you were giving the answer as cousin, which is wrong. Is it clear for everyone? So it is brother, brother, brother. So for this type of blood relation question, can we solve from the backwards? See, it depends upon the question, but this kind of question mostly you have to solve from backwards only, not from the front. Okay? So not from the front, from the backwards only you have to solve. Clear? Done? Is it clear for everyone? Is it clear for everyone, my dear friends? Okay. Okay, now we will be moving towards the next problem. Okay, fine. So the next problem is again a blood relation problem, and I would like you to solve. So there are 6 persons A, B, C, D, E and F. C is the sister of F. B is the brothers of E's husband. D is the father of A and grandfather of F. There are 2 fathers, 3 brothers and a mother in the group. You have to tell who is the mother. You have to tell how is F related to E. You have to tell which of the following is a group of brothers, right? Okay. Yes, man, again lagging. I don't know. Uh, it's okay. We will stop till here today. So tomorrow we will continue. I also don't know what is the reason of for lagging. It will definitely not be a screen. Laptop also I restarted. If you guys want, I can restart the laptop once more, but I totally do not have any idea. Okay. So here if you'll see, there are 6 persons A, B, C, D, E, F. C is a sister of F. P is a brother of E's husband. D is the father of A and grandfather of F. There are 2 fathers. Okay, fine. So B is the, okay, C is the sister of F. C is the sister of F. Okay. C is the sister of F. I will write down here so that we will have a space. C is a sister of F. So C is female. When you say C is a sister of F, C is female. Okay. B is the brother of E's husband. D is the father of A. and grandfather of F, right? Okay. So D is father of A and grandfather of F. Okay. D is father of A and grandfather of F, right? Okay. So it is very, very clear. See, D is grandfather of F. Okay. So D is male grandfather. Okay. And D is grandfather of F. So definitely in between, definitely F father or mother will be there. That we don't know. Okay. So this much information is given to you. Now next. Next they are telling, so B is the brother of E's husband, right? Okay. Now friends, the possibility here itself is, there is only one possibility, that B is brother of, so B is brother of A, right? And B is brother of E's husband, so A would have got married to E. So this is the only possibility which we can make here, right? For brothers, what I am doing, for male I am using plus, and for female I am using minus sign. Okay, fine. So I hope this is clear. Okay guys, there is some issue is there. I don't know what is the issue. We will continue tomorrow. So we'll continue tomorrow. There is some issue is there. I don't want to continue now. So there is some issue is there. Okay. So tomorrow we have from 8:30 the classes will be there. So you attend that. Thank you. Take care. All the very, very best. Bye. There is some issue. We'll continue tomorrow.